A man's choice of partner is totally up to him. It's not easy to say why a particular guy may choose one woman over another, and from the outside, they may even look like a terrible match. But if there's a guy you really like, perhaps a friend or work colleague, is there something you can do to make him focus his attention in your direction and choose you over other women? The short answer is yes. The long answer is every guy and situation is different. But with that said, we men are generally easier to hook than most women seem to realize. The majority of guys looking for a long-term relationship just want someone who is emotionally, socially, and sexually compatible. If you are already emotionally and socially compatible as friends, then you need to make him aware of this. He needs to come to the realization that you are an option. It may be that he has discounted you as a friend and just needs to be reminded there is still a chance and that he hasn't been permanently relegated to the friend zone. Studies show that just getting attention from someone and knowing they have interest automatically makes them more attractive to us, especially in the case of men. Knowing there's a possibility can dramatically change how you feel about a person. You also want to focus on building a connection. Be fun and have a laugh with him. Sure, looks and attraction are great, but unless you're a perfect 10, then don't play that game. It's just a race to the bottom. Most guys would by far prefer a 5 or 6 they can have fun with than a high maintenance 10. If this guy only cares about looks, then he's not really ready for a relationship and you are better off avoiding him anyways. The next thing I recommend doing to grab his attention is you want to find ways to touch him more. You see, women's love language is more focused around emotional connection, and men's love language is touch. We are generally more physical creatures. If you want to pull his attention more and have him thinking about you, then find ways to touch his hair, neck, leg, arms, and chest. The goal is not to be overly sexual here, but more intimate. Men always notice when a woman touches them, however innocent or accidental that may be. It speaks to the same point of just showing interest. Contrary to popular belief, most men don't want to chase that much. It's normally players who love a challenge. Just showing interest and availability will automatically make you more attractive. Think about it. Who do you think a man will make a move on? A woman they like and already know has interest? Or risk rejection with another woman who they don't know and is showing zero interest in them? So if you like a guy, don't be shy. Show some intent. If he likes you, then he'll take action and respond. That's it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more weekly masculine insights. Until next time.